In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Smartsheet effectively and make the most out of its versatile features. Whether you're managing a project for work or simply organizing tasks, Smartsheet offers a robust platform to help you keep everything streamlined. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps needed to make this tool work for you efficiently. First off, you'll want to log into your account at smartsheet.com. This is your main gateway to accessing all your sheets and making the necessary adjustments. Once logged in, head over to either your Home or Browse tab. Here you'll be able to see and select the specific sheet you wish to edit. This setup allows for a user-friendly experience when locating and accessing your documents. Once you've opened the sheet, editing is straightforward. Simply click on any cell you'd like to alter and start typing. You can enter text for task names, notes, or any details pertinent to your project. If the cells include drop-downs, you can also select from these options to maintain consistency and efficiency, especially for predefined categories or statuses. In cases where your columns are configured as date fields or checkboxes, you'll find intuitive date pickers or toggle options available to maintain data integrity and clarity. Now, if you need to adjust more than just the content of your cells, you have additional control over the column settings too. Just right-click on a column header and select Edit Column Properties. Here you can change the column name or type, adding or removing drop-down options if necessary, enabling you to customize your sheet to fit your specific needs. When it comes to managing your rows, you can easily add a new row by right-clicking on the number of a row and choosing Insert Row above or below. Similarly, if you wish to delete a row, you just right-click on the row number and click Delete Row. The same principles apply to managing columns. You can insert columns by right-clicking on the header and choosing to insert either to the left or right, and delete them in the same way. For organizing tasks hierarchically, use the indent or outdent buttons available in the toolbar to create effective subtask structures. To add notes or attachments to any row, click the small comment icon or paperclip icon respectively, allowing for detailed documentation and tracking within your sheet. Lastly, if you're looking to streamline workflows even further, click on the automation button to edit automation rules. This can greatly enhance productivity by automating repetitive tasks. And the best part, Smartsheet autosaves your work as you go, so there's no need to worry about hitting save manually. With these steps, you're all set to edit and manage your Smartsheet projects like a pro. Happy organizing.